Let's make elegant, simple door molding with only 3 tools. This molding consists of one simple bevel. The design is wallet-friendly compared to off-the-shelf moldings available. Let's begin. As you can see the diagram at the top of the screen, we will rip down a 1x8 board to produce 2 lengths of molding. First step is to set the table saw fence to cut the desired width of the molding. Make sure the blade is not angled and is perpendicular to the table. This 1x8 board is 10 feet long and will produce 2 lengths of molding at 2 3/4 inch wide. The offcut is then ripped to final length. I raise the blade all the way up and set the blade angle to 11.5 degrees. I then adjust the fence to leave a 1/2 inch of material at the bottom. Leaving a 1/2 inch of material at the bottom allows me to make a deeper undercut that we'll make later on. This undercut is important and can be adjusted depending on your application. The third step is to cut the flat face that complements the bevel face. The width of this flat face can be adjusted by setting the fence at different distances. Make sure your table saw blade is extended high enough to make the cut in one pass. Fourth step begins to shape the undercut described before. First cut will be a relief cut for the rest of the material to be removed. The width and depth of this cut is what allows the molding to sit flush against the door frame and flat against the wall. This is also a blind cut, so be careful. Our last cut will meet up with our relief cut and remove the excess material. This will produce an offcut that is in between the saw blade and the fence, so be careful. You can achieve this part of the molding design many different ways, whatever is most comfortable and safest for you. Now that the molding is in its final shape, we will sand off any saw marks. This is also an opportunity to sand down the bevel or the flat to shape the line where they meet. Once painted, it is hard to see any slight inconsistencies, but take your time. Last step is to round over the edges. Once installed and painted, you will have beautiful, elegant, handcrafted door molding. Like and subscribe for more tips and projects. Enjoy.